Hello everyone, welcome to Chirags ASP.NET C# tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to create the login and register form in the single page in ASP.NET C#. So I'm going through that. So here is my Visual Studio. Just open your Visual Studio. In previous videos, we already learned about how to create the login, register and activate account pages, forget password page, and login with OTP page. So in this video, we'll learn about the how to create a single page where we'll just create two things. One is login, another one is registration. So let me create one page. Right click on your project name, go to the add new item, web form. I'm creating here login and register. So my login and register page is created. Let me open in browser. So this is a blank page. I'm not added anything here. So now I'm going to code that. So using the field set, I will do that. So I'm using field set. For the login, I will create one. For register, I will create another. So already we did the login code. So I'm going to take the login code from here. And register. Function I'm removing for now. Let me run this page. Okay, there are two buttons. One part is login, another part is registration. So I'm going to use the validations also. Validations class, I will take another class on that. So now for checking purpose, I'm going to use the validations. Go to the toolbox, validations, required field validator. Control to validate is equal to email. That and same validations. I'm using only one validation for now. For this mail and message, error message is there. Right here I'm writing first right control to validate. For testing purpose I'm doing that, and when you run you will get an error. So I'm doing control ID, first name. So control to validate ID should be equal to the ID of the text box. So I'm getting the web forms validations required the JavaScript error, jQuery error. You have add the code, so I can get it from the net also. So for the validations error, you can add this to your web config at last. It won't give you a validation error. Okay, so the password, first name, click here. This is going for the both the. So let me change the color also. Go to the design. Page for color. I'm taking red. There also required for color. Now replace the page. One more thing. Let me do. I'm going to break here. See, in first one, I have an email address and password. Here I'm submitting. Email address is required. Here also first name is required. But I want the different clicks for the both the required field. Okay, so I'm going to add one by one function. Field set is there. So now I'm going to use validation group. So here I'll use okay. So this first field is for login. So I'm giving this one login. Okay, so similar I'll do for the all the field where I'll do the validation. So in next one, the text field validation group, register. Second validation group, text field, this one. Let me run that one by one. We'll solve the problem. So now again both are showing the screen. Goes wrong. Let me check one by one. So this is the label one, email address, validation group login. So I'm passing the login here also. Here also validation group is login. Okay. So I did the mistake. Group. Let me minimize the code. Address. Don't want the label. Here also. TextBox. Live errors, validation group, register with the register validation group. There is validation. Let me check validations group. I forgot. So see carefully. There is a validations group login for the all the login field, and there is a validations for the registration. There is a register of the for the all the fields. Okay. Now let me run the page. See, I'm submitting. Then I'm getting the error for this. Here I will submit. Then I'm getting the error for the login one only. So this is my code. I will provide the code in my application and YouTube also. So this is simple code is there. So because of if you are not adding validations group properly, then you will get an error like that. It won't work. So with the field set, so now I'm clicking on login. So we need the email address and password. This will redirect to the home page. So let me click the open add the OnClick function. Click equal to new function I created, and similar I will do it for register also. Equal to new function. Okay. So there is a OnClick function login and register. Now let me check with the registration backend code report, and there is a button click. So I'll use this code. So first let me use the assemblage. Second, let me get the connection. Writing the connection history here. Next, on register button click, I'll just submit the code. Already we have another video on login registration activate account. On that video I already defined the registration button code. So registration button is that, and next is login. I need the login code. Error field. Let me refresh the page. So validations is working for the this field set. Now let me log in. Chirags and password is Chirag. Your account is not activated. Mail is not registered with us. Let me check. Chirag.in. Password is Purab. Okay. Password is Purab. It will redirect to home page. Means I am able to log in with that. So I'm going to log out again. Going to open the login and registration page. So in the registration page, I'm going to register with different email address. First name, last name. There is the email address. Password. So see that we have only one data in our database table. Okay, so I'm going to register with the Chirag. Okay, Chirag1, this one, and chiragapna@gmail.com. Okay, first let me check with the same email address in Chirag. Okay, parameter. Okay, let me check. the register button. Email address is already exist. I'm not getting that error. Let me go through that. What is the error? Cannot be empty. Okay. So ID is different now. With the check with the ID. First name, last name is okay. This is email TextBox1 and password TextBox2. So go there. X1 password is TextBox2. Email is password TextBox1. Sorry. And there I pass the TextBox1. It will work. Through that. In Chirags, I'm giving some random password. Submit. So email address already exists. Please try the different email address. Okay. So I'm giving the error to this guy. If you want to get the error in particular space, particular place, then you have to call the. I'm calling the error message to here. Level 1. Now check it out. Validation is working. Any random password. Clicking. So your email address is already exist. Please try the different email address. Okay. So I'm going to change the email address. Password. So still we have two data, and because of error we got one data. That's not issue. So I'm going to submit. So this is error for address should not be empty. I'm getting for the error for the mail. So for the mail I'm getting, that's not issue. Let me go to my database. Let me execute. Yeah, we got that. So this is the password, this email address, and this one. So in this video we'll learn login and registration page, login form and registration form in single ASP.NET C# page. That is quite easy to create. I use through the field set, and I am using the ValidationGroup and display dynamic. These two variable I am added here, and this is one. Okay. So thank you for watching.